Okay, so the way you use it is this is the focus here. You focus in and you can increase or decrease what you're looking at. If you go to 60, it's smaller. If you go to 120, it's going to be much more larger. And this is where you focus it, right? This is how you turn it on. And then you just set it right down on whatever you're looking at and you look at it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. All right, so here's this. I'm just going to set this right on top of that, like that, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on it first, right? So I've got to look in there and focus on it. So I'm going to look in. I'm going to try to focus down on this and get it in focus. Okay, I've got it in focus. Now we're going to try to do it with the camera. See what happens. So here we go. We're coming in. And I think you can see right there. That's what we're looking at. Isn't that cool? That is the photo of the leaf. Now if I pull this back and I remove that, that's what we were looking at right there. Let me put it back on there. Come back in. And that is what you see. Pretty cool, huh? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.